Hey guys, JD here with the 2022 Kawasaki Ultra 310 LXS jet ski. Today I wanted to do things a little differently and narrate my ride. Just ahead is the Jupiter Lighthouse. First lit on July 10, 1860, the Jupiter Lighthouse is one of the oldest continually operating lights in the United States. If we continue straight, the Jupiter Inlet is right to the southeast in the right-hand corner of the video. Today, I decided to stay in the channel and avoid the ocean due to rough seas. I've made a left-hand turn and I'm now heading north, into the Indian River, which overlaps with the Intracoastal Waterway. This area is also known as the Jupiter Sound. Soon we'll be passing Catos Bridge. Looks like somebody dropped a sandwich in a plastic container, so of course I'm gonna pick it up. I actually wrote an article for Watercraft Journal about picking up trash when you're out on your ski. It doesn't really make that much of a difference, but if we each pick up one piece, at least it's something. The undeveloped area to my left, or to the west, is part of the Jupiter Inlet Lighthouse Outstanding Natural Area. This is a great undeveloped sandbar where you can engage in light snorkeling and just chill at the sandbar. Up ahead, you'll see Catos Bridge, a Jupiter landmark. Now that we've left Jupiter and entered Jupiter Island, we're now in the Indian River and the Jupiter Sound. The no-wake zone has ended, so now I'm going to hit the throttle. I'm continuing to head north on the Indian River. Blowing Rocks Nature Preserve is to my east, and Jonathan Dickinson State Park is to my west. This is one of the few areas in South Florida not completely rife with development on either side of the Indian River or Intercoastal. Now approaching the old money mansions of Jupiter Island. Jupiter Island is one of the wealthiest zip codes in the United States, exceeding even Palm Beach. In fact, we are now passing the residence of Tiger Woods, cloaked in hedges and trees. Many of these old money estates on Jupiter Island run between the ocean and Indian River, with private beaches on one side and yacht dockage on the other. Some of America's most wealthy families, including the Doubledays, Fords, Hineses, Mellons, and Johnsons, have homes on Jupiter Island that span upwards of 25 to 30,000 square feet and are situated on between 5 and 10 oceanfront acres. Continuing my run along Jupiter Island, with Jupiter Island to the east and the Nathaniel P. Reid Hope Sound National Florida Park to the west. approaching Conch Bar, just to our west, where locals like to hang out and chill at the sandbar. We're now back in the Indian River, heading south towards Jupiter. Coming up on the left is a probably $1.5 or $1.6 million center console with Mercury quads. Looks like they're having some mechanical trouble. More money, more problems. Heading south, we're now once again approaching Catos Bridge and will soon be back in Jupiter. The tide is really strong as we pass under Catos Bridge, heading south back into Jupiter. Probably it's going about 5 or 6 miles an hour as it comes in, and I have to throttle up a little bit just to maintain my speed. I'm now continuing my ride south in the no-wake zone past the Jupiter Lighthouse Natural Outstanding Area. This has been another video from JD's WaterWorld, featuring the 2022 Kawasaki Ultra 310 LXS Supercharged Jet Ski. I hope you enjoyed this narrated ride around Jupiter Island, Florida, and I look forward to you joining me next time. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe for more Kawasaki content.